rates. Can you still remember what we did this morning?
Comparison of 2 units.
What kind of units?
Different units.
Alright, so it's a comparison. So we compare 2 different units. And it is in fraction form, right? So example, give me an example of units that we're talking about. Let's go with you. Yes, miles per hour. Anybody else? Give me something. Yes.
Units of rate.
No, we're doing rates. Give me an example of rates. We have miles per hour, 2 different units of comparison. Yes, Patrick. Okay. Number of items to $1. So 2 different things. Yeah.
That's to gallons.
We did this morning. Minutes to gallons. Give me more. Students to what? Oh, students to tickets. Students to tickets. That's perfect. So let's see on how we use that idea to compare 2 things. So we could compare 2 units. I mean rates if they are greater or not. So the same way what we done last time. What are the ways we could use them? So let's say I have 3/4. We compare it to 2/5. What are the different ways we used before to compare rates? So let's assume that's rate. So let's say dollar to number of items. So how will we know which one is comparison? What are the strategies we used last time? Give me one. We could use cross product. What else? Simplify to what? Decimal? So change to decimal. What else? Yes? Okay, similar fractions. What do you mean by similar fractions? We don't say equivalent because they're not the same. Or we call it with the same common denominator. So, how many other ways that we could use? So, let's try to solve it with the cross product. So, if I'm going to use cross product, this is going to be what? 8. And that's going to be what? 15. So, therefore, 3/4 is bigger than 2/5. Or change them to decimal. What is 3/4 in decimal form? Alaric? Patrick, sorry. 0.75. I'm going back to Alaric. Alaric, what is 2/5 in decimal? It's not. It's less than 1 though. So that becomes 2 divided by 5. That becomes 20 divided by 5. But you borrow, so you have decimal. So that's going to be what? 0.9. So again, we could change that to decimal and see 0.75 is greater than that, definitely. Or similar fractions. How could we make a similar fractions? What is our new denominator? Gonna be what? 20. So if this is 20, if that's 20, what will this be? 15. And if this is 20, what will that be? So obviously, we could always say that this is greater than the other one. Alright? So this is one, already we learned this when we had ratios. There is another thing, the comparison that we didn't learn yet. So going to the next page. So you go to a market and you buy at Walgreens, you buy 5, go to Walgreens and you buy 5 can of soda for $7. I don't know, I'm just saying. Then you go to Key Foods and you go get the one whole box for 12 cans for $4.99. Where do you think is cheaper? The one that sells in Walgreens 7 for $3, or the one in Walgreens that's 12 for $4.99. All right. So how do you know that? This example that we have on the board is actually on page 301 of your book. So $2.40 for 3 tacos and $3.40 for 4 tacos. We're gonna find which one of this is the better deal using the unit rate, or we call unit price. I'll give you a moment to solve it. Okay? How much will it be for 1 taco? And how much will it be for 1 taco? Solve, I'll give you a minute or two. We have $2.40 for 3 tacos. How much will it be if I only buy 1? Yes. So, how do you say that again? 0.80. You don't say 0.80 cents, $0.8 or 80 cents. Alright, just a reminder. So 1 taco is 80 cents here, or $0.8. How about here? $3.40 for 4 tacos. How much is 1? Yes. So you don't say 0.85 cents, guys. It's $0.85. $0.85 or 85 cents. So don't mix up, because if you're gonna do double units in the test, you're gonna get it wrong. So you're gonna say 85 cents or $0.85. You don't mix up those two. Alright, with that said, I want you to go to page 302 right here and do the way I understand, and then we'll work on it together. Okay, go work on it.